Hello and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to disable autocorrect on your iPhone. While autocorrect can save you a lot of time by fixing spelling errors and suggesting words, it can sometimes be unwanted or even annoying. If you find yourself in that situation, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to disable it. First, let's clarify what autocorrect is. Autocorrect is a feature that automatically fixes spelling errors and suggests words from a built-in dictionary as you type. It adapts to your typing patterns and corrects words on the fly. You can adjust this feature in the settings, making it quite versatile. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select General, then navigate to Keyboard. Here you'll find various settings related to your keyboard, including the option to disable autocorrect. To turn off autocorrect, simply toggle off the autocorrection switch. This will disable automatic text corrections, meaning your device will no longer correct text automatically as you type. If you also find predictive text suggestions bothersome, you can turn off the predictive toggle. However, note that some predictive text features cannot be fully disabled. Once you've turned off autocorrect, your device will stop making automatic text corrections. Keep in mind that this change is not reversible to the older versions of autocorrect from previous iOS versions. You'll need to manually correct any typing errors from now on. It's also worth mentioning that you don't have to stick with the built-in keyboard on your iPhone. There are several third-party keyboards available on the App Store, such as Gboard from Google or SwiftKey from Microsoft. These third-party apps offer different settings and customization options, allowing you to tailor your typing experience to your preferences. For example, Gboard and SwiftKey have their own autocorrect and predictive text features, which can be customized independently from the iPhone's built-in keyboard settings. If you find Apple's autocorrect too restrictive or inaccurate, trying a third-party keyboard might be a good solution. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable autocorrect on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.